The Siemens 6fs1301-0ag20 is a generator monitor part used in the PMA-53 system. This unit is also used by the U.S. military with the NSN 6110-99-851-2034. We received this part from a ship as part of its primary power system. It had a couple of open traces in the power supply and some corrosion which prevented it from powering up at all. We repaired and then powered up the board as shown in the video without any issue. This unit is part of an entire generator control, so a simulation would have required a lot of the system we did not have access to. As with all things, we discussed the options for this unit with the customer, and the repair we performed did work without issue.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.